Hi everybody, thanks for dropping in. So, they said it was booting the safe mode. I didn't have that issue, but it's running really slow, laggy, freezing. It appears to have froze right there. You could see the square on the... It's supposed to be part of the design. It's supposed to swirl or whatever. But it's just frozen. It's just stuck. So, gonna need to replace the hard drive. I'm gonna go ahead and update the client. Send him this clip. And see if maybe I could add on to it. I'll be right back. Alright, we got the hard drive replaced, file downloaded. We got it right where we want it. Okay, let's go ahead and do the update. It's just about there. Should be coming any moment now. Well, let's say it's gonna wipe everything. There's nothing on there to wipe. There we go. It is boogieing. Probably 'cause it's a new drive. Yeah, watch it go. Zing! This is good. Alright, this one takes a bit longer, so I'm going to go ahead and pause it for a moment and then come back. Just about done. Hey, there we go. Thanks for viewing. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe as well as smash that bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.